Hey guys, here's a short video of a sawmill. I've got a Wood-Mizer LX450 cutting my logs down to slabs. This week we're doing 3.5-inch slabs with 45-inch lengths. I like to run it through that automatic chop saw. Seems like it works better if I cut it to length. Looks like I need a new tire on that roller there. From there it gets carried over to my gang, and usually I keep about 15 or 16 blades in that gang, so we produce a lot of sawdust. I think I have a 150 horse motor on there. Every now and again, if the blades are dull, we will choke it down, so it's pulling a lot of juice out of that power line. But it works good most days. These mills are a little moody. Some days they work great, the next days they don't work worth a flip. But it's always kind of been a dream of mine to have a little sawmill like this, make a living. Some days it's a dream, some days it's a nightmare. But right now we are hand stacking. Hopefully someday we can afford an automatic stacker, make our life a little easier. So y'all let me know what you think, and we'll try to keep on making sawdust.